There I was, standing in the kitchen, eyes locked on the microwave. 3 seconds left. My mission: stop it before it beeps and wakes the entire house. I lunged across the linoleum like an Olympic athlete, but with socks instead of sneakers. 2 seconds. My hand hovered, trembling with anticipation. 1 second. I smacked the button with the grace of a startled cat. Silence. Victory. The crowd, my cat, remained unimpressed. All that effort just to avoid a beep. Everyday life is full of these tiny, epic moments. Subscribe for more tales of ordinary glory.